Are night terrors genetic? If you've ever witnessed a child experiencing a night terror, you know how unsettling it can be. Night terrors are different from nightmares and can be very frightening for both the child and the parents. So, are night terrors genetic? To understand this, let's look at some studies that have investigated the genetic aspects of night terrors. One key study from 1980 examined the families of children who experienced night terrors and sleepwalking. This study found that a significant percentage of these families had other members who also suffered from night terrors or sleepwalking. Specifically, 96% of the night terror pedigrees and 80% of the sleepwalking pedigrees included at least one other affected family member. This suggests a strong genetic component. The data from this study fit a two-threshold multifactorial mode of inheritance, which means that both genetic and environmental factors play a role. Essentially, there seems to be a common genetic predisposition that can lead to either sleepwalking or night terrors, with sleepwalking being a more prevalent and less severe manifestation. Another study involving twins further supports the genetic link. This prospective study of 390 pairs of monozygotic and dizygotic twins found that sleep terrors were more common in monozygotic twins who share the same genetic makeup compared to dizygotic twins. The study concluded that sleep terrors are partially hereditary, with about 41 to 44% of the variance attributed to additive genetic effects. So what does this mean? It means that if there is a history of night terrors or sleepwalking in your family, your child might be more likely to experience them. However, it's also important to note that environmental factors such as sleep deprivation, stress, fever, or certain medications can trigger night terrors even in children who may not have a genetic predisposition. In summary, night terrors do have a genetic component, but they are also influenced by various environmental factors. Understanding this can help parents and caregivers take steps to reduce the likelihood of night terrors and provide better support when they do occur.